All set. All right. So we're at Phoenix Market City today with
Perry.
Perry.
Yeah.
And
Disha.
Disha.
Isha.
Isha. Nice. Very nice to meet Perry and Isha. All right. What has been your experience with dating apps? Have you used any?
Nope.
No. Never.
I have.
Which
I
ones?
actually found a boyfriend through Tinder.
Oh, that's good.
That's
Are you,
kinda, yeah.
are you with him right now?
Yeah.
Good, good. So
Yeah.
you're in a relationship at the moment.
Yeah.
And what about you? Are
I'm
you
single.
You're single. That's amazing. That's amazing. So while you're using dating apps, are you looking for something more long term or like something more casual?
Something
As a-
casual, but then it went the other way.
Okay.
Yeah.
So now you're
it
in
turned
some.
into a relationship. Yeah.
Good for you. I'm so happy to hear that.
Yeah,
That's great. So
very
dating apps have worked well for you.
Yeah,
and
definitely.
and you haven't used them yet.
Haven't used any.
That's fine. What's like the first thing you notice in a guy?
Okay. The dressing sense.
Dress sense?
Really
Okay.
matters. Like
Okay.
you need to, look good. Otherwise, there's no chance.
Right, like clean,
Yeah.
clean.
Yeah.
Right,
The haircut, the dressing sense.
Got
That's
it, got
what
it.
matters.
And what about you? What do you look
For sure.
Looks?
Definitely, yeah.
Absolutely. Like
Yeah, you don't.
aesthetics matter for sure.
Like old money vibes, kinda. Like not that Gen Z, boy kind of vibe.
Yeah.
Should be like old money. Yeah,
I see.
yeah.
That's amazing.
Yeah.
All right. How often do men approach you all on a day-to-day basis?
Very often.
Very
because
often,
we
okay.
club often.
That's
yeah.
good.
So
That's
yeah,
amazing.
like almost all the time. Quite all the time.
Like
Quite often.
Couple of times a week at least.
Yeah. Even ask for my IG.
Okay.
Yeah.
and how do you all like those approaches? Are those approaches good? Or
I
are they
mean,
like,
the attention is good, but I don't really entertain them.
I see.
But the attention is good.
Of course, because you're in a relationship right now.
Yeah,
So, right. What about
Really
you?
fun, yeah. It's fun.
Do you entertain them at all? Do you like get
No, depends how they look. Depends how they look.
cool? All right. So we'll get to the would you rather now.
Okay.
So would you rather have emotional availability or great sex?
Great sex.
Okay, yeah. And what about you?
Emotional
Okay, good. That's amazing. Does size matter?
Yeah.
It does.
It does.
It's okay, I mean.
Right. Like a little
Doesn't
bit
matter
here and
that much.
there.
In the ocean.
Wow, that's like the first time I've heard that. That was funny. All right. Do you kiss on the first date?
Yeah.
You do. How
I've
about
never
you?
actually
I
had
mean,
my
it
first.
depends. It depends. Like the vibe should be, like both ways.
I see.
Like if we vibe, we vibe.
Cool. What about you?
I've never had my first kiss yet, so
Oh, you haven't?
we'll find out.
Wow. Okay. Do you like giving head or getting head?
Getting here.
Getting head, not giving it.
I mean, I like that too, but I would prefer getting it
Absolutely.
anytime.
Absolutely.
Yeah.
That's you guys are amazing. Final question before I let you all go.
Yes.
What's the last flirty text that you sent, if you remember
That I
it?
sent. I don't actually remember.
That's fine. That's fine.
I don't know, it was maybe like a pickup line, but it was sent to me.
Oh, you
I
sent
didn't
you.
send any pickup
Do you
line.
remember what it was?
No.
Okay. That's cool. And then do you all make eye contact?
Yeah,
How
that
often-
really matters.
How often does that happen?
Like I am the one who like breaks eye contacts fast, so
Right.
like it's kind of intimidating. Like
Yeah.
looking into the eyes. It's fun. It's
Pretty
intimidating.
good. What about you?
Happens, does happen sometimes. Abhi hua mera eye contact.
You wish like there was a way for you to like connect with that person.
Sure, if they look good, yeah. Yeah.
Cool.
But like I would never be the one to approach first. So
No
like,
shit.
Yeah,
Like,
yeah.
like
If
beautiful.
you're bold enough, if you can
Women should
really
be.
like
Exactly.
approach,
No shit.
that's
Attractive
amazing. That's
women-
attractive. Yeah.
Good, right.
Like taking the charge.
Love it. I love it. Thanks so much. Those are all the questions that I had.